How to recover deleted chats on Instagram. First of all, head over to your application Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your account that you want to recover the chats. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner, and then tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Move into settings. So right here in the search bar, search for download. Head over to this option, download your information. It will land you on this page. Tap on request a download. Only select the account that you want to recover the chats, and then tap on next. Right here tap on select type of information. Scroll down and select the option messages, and then tap on next. Right here you can select your file options, and once you are done, tap on submit request. So now the data that you have selected is being prepared for download. You need to wait for a while, and then you will receive a mail from your Facebook on Gmail account. The mail will include all of the chat of your Instagram account, and you'll have 4 days to download all of the information that you have received. Download these files on your device and the chats of your Instagram will be recovered successfully. So this is the way on how to recover your chats off Instagram. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.